Hello, and welcome back to this tutorial for Astrolabe's Cell Subset Navigator. In this video, I'm going to show how to use the frequency heat map. To access the heat map, I will click on Frequency by Sample. This visualization shows each of my samples vertically on the left, and across the top are the cell subsets identified by Astrolabe. Much like the MDS map, I can use the selection bar to select cell subsets, or I can click on the subsets across the top here. When I do, details are shown below. Each row visually shows the composition of the sample. Darker squares indicate a higher frequency, and if you hover over the squares, you can see the percentage of each subset across the sample. As with the immunophenotyping map, I can sort my samples by experiment features, so here I will select time point. I can also sort my subsets by a couple criteria. Hierarchical clustering will sort like subsets next to each other. Mean frequency will sort from the least prevalent to the most prevalent subsets. When I do this, I can see I have some useful information about my more prevalent subsets, but everything over here is white and not providing me with much information at all. So in this case, I can turn on Scale by Subset. Now I can see that each square is colored according to its prevalence in each sample. If I pick on my memory B cells, I can see they are less prevalent in the acute stage of infection with a light blue color, and more prevalent in the convalescent stage of infection with a more orange color. Note that this visualization works across samples, but is not comparable across subsets. Next in this series, I will show how to use differential abundance analysis.